Welcome back to Legal Insights, where we explore different facets of the legal world. I'm your host, Emma Williams, and today we're diving into the life and work of a defense lawyer. With us is John Richards, an experienced defense attorney with over 15 years in the field. Welcome, John.
Thanks, Emma. It's great to be here.
So, John, let's start with the basics. What inspired you to become a defense lawyer?
Well, it might sound cliché, but I've always had a strong sense of justice. During law school, I was particularly drawn to defense work because it offers a unique opportunity to ensure that everyone, regardless of their background, gets a fair trial. It's about upholding the principle that everyone is innocent until proven guilty.
That's a noble cause. Can you walk us through a typical day in your life as a defense lawyer?
Sure. No 2 days are exactly alike, but generally, my day starts early with reviewing case files and preparing for court. I might have client meetings to discuss case strategies, gather information, or provide updates. Court appearances are a big part of the job, whether it's for a bail hearing, a motion, or a full trial. Evenings often involve a lot of research and paperwork.
It sounds intense. What would you say is the most challenging aspect of your job?
The biggest challenge is probably the emotional toll. You're often dealing with clients who are in very difficult situations, and there's a lot of pressure to ensure the best possible outcome for them. It can also be tough when public opinion is against your client, but you have to remain focused on the facts and the law.
I can imagine that would be tough. How do you handle cases where you personally believe the client might be guilty?
That's a great question. It's important to remember that my role isn't to judge my client's guilt or innocence. My job is to provide the best defense possible based on the evidence. Everyone has the right to a defense, and it's crucial for the integrity of the legal system that this right is upheld. Personal beliefs can't interfere with that duty.
It really underscores the importance of a fair trial. What about the rewarding aspects? What makes it all worth it?
There are many rewarding aspects. One of the most fulfilling parts is when you can see the positive impact you have on someone's life. Whether it's getting charges reduced or dismissed, or even just knowing that you've provided a thorough defense, it's rewarding to know that you've helped someone through a tough time. Also, winning a challenging case is incredibly satisfying.
Absolutely. Before we wrap up, do you have any advice for aspiring defense lawyers out there?
Yes, I would say be prepared for hard work and remain dedicated to continuous learning. The legal field is always evolving, so staying current is key. Also, develop strong communication skills and empathy. Understanding your clients and being able to convey their story effectively is crucial.
Great advice, John. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your insights.
My pleasure, Emma. Thanks for having me.
And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Legal Insights. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating aspects of the legal world. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.